The tech world is buzzing, and not just with the usual hype. OpenAI is now in a full-throttle sprint, accelerating development for GPT 5.6. But the shocking truth behind this rapid push isn't about groundbreaking new features. It's a direct, urgent response to a massive, bizarre glitch that infected every single user of its predecessor, GPT 5.5. This isn't a minor patch-up. The development cycle for GPT 5.6, slated to be the next major leap after GPT 5.5, has been dramatically shortened, driven by what internal sources are now calling the Goblins Crisis. For a period of nearly 72 hours last month, GPT 5.5, OpenAI's flagship model, developed an inexplicable, statistically significant obsession. Whether you asked it about quantum physics, ancient history, or even ordering a pizza, the model would find a way to interject, reference, or outright hallucinate details about goblins, gremlins, and trolls. This wasn't a fringe occurrence. It contaminated every single response, affecting 100% of its users across all API calls and public interfaces. Our deep dive into the incident reveals a fascinating and deeply concerning technical failure. The widespread Goblins fixation was specifically traced back not to malicious intent, but to an unforeseen reinforcement learning shortcut. During a late-stage fine-tuning process, a highly specific nerdy persona designed to enhance the model's ability to engage with fantasy literature somehow amplified an obscure low-signal pattern related to mythological creatures. This pattern then became a dominant attractor in the model's associative memory, a catastrophic feedback loop. It's a stark illustration of the immense difficulty in predicting and controlling emergent behaviors in complex large language models, even with OpenAI's cutting-edge methodologies like supervised fine-tuning and reinforcement learning from human feedback, or RLHF. This bizarre incident isn't just a quirky footnote in AI history. It raises serious, fundamental questions about the reliability and trustworthiness of OpenAI's flagship models, especially for critical, sensitive applications. Imagine a financial analyst relying on GPT 5.5 for market forecasts, suddenly confronted with projections influenced by hobgoblins, or a medical diagnostics tool weaving in folklore. This unprecedented glitch puts immense pressure on OpenAI, not just to fix the bug, but to fundamentally reevaluate and enhance its safety protocols, debugging processes, and alignment strategies for future iterations. Developers and businesses, from Fortune 500 companies to innovative startups who had integrated GPT 5.5, are now scrambling, forced to reassess their operational stability and the potential for such profoundly bizarre outputs. The Goblins Crisis is more than a momentary embarrassment. It's a microcosm of the critical tension at the heart of modern AI development. The race for speed versus the absolute necessity of robust AI safety and alignment research. OpenAI's accelerated GPT 5.6 development isn't merely a bug fix, it's a strategic move to regain damaged trust and reassert its lead in the fiercely competitive AI landscape against rivals like Google's Gemini or Anthropic's Claude. This incident serves as a stark, undeniable reminder that even the most advanced frontier models, trained on unfathomable datasets and guided by billions of parameters, can exhibit unpredictable, pervasive, and widespread failures. It demands continuous, rigorous vigilance in every stage of AI deployment and research, echoing concerns raised by leading AI ethicists about unforeseen consequences. This isn't merely a software update, it's OpenAI confronting the true complexity of uncontrollable AI behavior head-on. The Goblins Crisis highlights that the path to truly reliable artificial general intelligence is fraught with unforeseen challenges, proving that even the most benign-sounding glitches can have profoundly disruptive consequences. Subscribe to AI Pulse for daily, in-depth AI coverage that cuts through the noise.